Hello everyone, today I wanted to show you guys this robot cleaning machine I've been using for a while, and I just wanted to show you guys how amazing this is. You can see it just goes all around the corners on the legs, and it just makes sure that it took every single dust particles, everything is on its way. As you can see, it's just going very nicely. You can see it's just able to clean up really nicely, and you can see the laser on top of it. It's just able to map the room really nicely. You can see it just goes all around. You can see all when it's reached to the leg, it just move a little bit, make sure it just clean all the corner. You can see it's coming this way. Once it just goes from here, it will just continue cleaning up. As you can see, there is no dust, nothing on the floor, thanks to this guy. It is really doing good job. So let me see if I can grab it when he's here. So over here, so when you see it's finished, you want to take out the dustbin. This is where it stays. You can just easily take it out. So you would just press here, you would just take it out, and it will tell you it's removed. And you can just pull this. Let me see if I can open. You can see it just cleaned really nicely, took a lot of stuff. We have rugs here and some hardwood floor, and it's just doing amazing job. As you can see, it just picks up everything, and it comes with this cleaning brush. You can just take it off. You would just push it this way and then take it out. So that's how you would do that. And once you clean it out, you would just put this back in and close this. I just wanted to show you guys this thing here. It just turns. If I can see, you see it turns while it's running. It turns, and it's how it's mapped the room. That the mapping is amazing. It's just mapped everything. It knows where the obstacles, where the even the legs of the couch, where the table, and it just does really good job. And cleaning on the bottom is very easy. You would just pull this out. You see there are some hair got stuck. You can just pull this out, clean it, and once you are done, you would just put it back, and you are basically done with it. And it has nice large tires. It doesn't get stuck on anywhere. You can see we have some raised marble piece on the corner of the bathroom. It's just able to go on top of it without any issue. Same thing when it's come from the rug, and this it just goes without any struggle, and it's just clear up really nice and easy. And it has application. You can schedule cleaning every day. I have 11 o'clock. It just starts, cleans up everything. As you can see, nothing under the couch, no dust, nothing. So that is doing really good job. I hope you guys will like it as well. Thank you for watching.